So hey guys, in this video we're gonna learn how you can add any of the song as your smartphone's ringtone. So the process is quite simple, just you have to watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. First of all, go to your smartphone settings, and once you're there, scroll down until you see sounds and vibrations. Just go over there and here you will find ringtone. Head to that, and these are some predefined ringtones by Realme, and if you want to add a custom ringtone, just click on this device, and from here you can easily choose any of the music from your device and that music will be set as your ringtone. So this is basically how you can set a custom ringtone over on your smartphone. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.